A for apple.
Apple means seb.
B for ball.
Ball means gend.
C for cat.
Cat means billy. Meow.
D for duck.
Duck means batak. Quack quack.
E for elephant.
Elephant means hathi.
F for flower.
Flower means pool.
G for grapes.
Grapes means angur.
H for house.
House means ghar.
I for iron.
Iron means istri.
J for juice.
Juice means juice.
K for kite.
Kite means patang.
L for loin.
Loin means sher.
M for monkey.
Monkey means bandar.
N for nest.
Nest means ghosla.
O for orange.
Orange means kinu.
P for parrot.
Parrot means tota.
Q for queen.
Queen means malka.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit means khargosh.
S for sunflower.
Sunflower means surajmukhi ka phool.
T for tiger.
Tiger means cheetah.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chhatri.
V for van.
Van means gaadi.
W for watch.
Watch means ghadi.
X for x-ray.
X-ray means X-ray.
Y for yo-yo.
Yo-yo means lattu.
Z for zoo.
Zoo means chidiya ghar. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.